Here I have iPhone SE 2022, and today I'm going to show you how to enable grid lines in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the camera section, and here you can enable grid. And now you will have these grid lines in your camera, which could help you to take more like straight or symmetrical shot. So yeah, you know what to do with it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.